Hey guys, welcome back to another nesting vlog. So, we're starting off a little late in the day, but that's okay. So, really quick, I'm not really sure how much I'm gonna be getting done today, so I'm gonna try my best, but I am really struggling today, pain-wise. I can tell my niece has probably been playing with my lipsticks because there's lipstick all over my mirror. Anyways, right now I just need to go downstairs. I'm gonna throw some baby clothes in the washer and wash them. And then I need to film my 34 and 35 week bump date video. So that is the two main things on the agenda right now. So it's about 2:15, so let's go ahead and get this started. Alright guys, so I just finished filming my bump date video. I uploaded my baby shower haul video, and I just went downstairs. I put the first load in the dryer and I just put a second load in the washer. So we're being productive. Slowly yet surely we will get there. Fun fact also, I have never done laundry by myself before. I know that kind of seems a little like weird because I'm 19, but I have never really had to do laundry, and so the first load I accidentally almost started it without putting any detergent in. So that's how that's going. But that's what being a mom is like, I guess. But I am going to try and see what I can do up here while those are washing, because a majority of the things that I need to do involve putting the clothes away. Okay, so I just went and got this basket of clothes. So I need to fold these now, but I put in the load that was in the wash in the dryer and then put in another load in the washer. So it's almost 5 o'clock, and so I gotta fold these and organize them by size, and then also figure out certain things that I may take to my boyfriend's house for clothes. So let's do that. I would also like to point out that we only washed newborn 0 to 3 and 3 to 6 because those are really the only sizes that we need to worry about. And so all the rest of his clothes will go into bins by size. And then we will just pull them and wash them as he starts to outgrow these sizes. So less stressful on everybody. Something I wanted to show you guys is these onesies. These are made, these sleepers, they're made by Cloud Island. They're super cute. They do have the snap up here. This is a size 0 to 3 month, so it still does have the snap. But the zipper only zippers from the bottom, so you can easily change them. And I just thought it was such a interesting idea. When I was washing them, I went to go unzip them and I realized it had no zipper, and I thought the zipper broke, but nope. So those are some really nice sleepers to look into if you're interested. Alright, so this is what I've got for folding. So, little miscellaneous. This is newborn, like onesies, and then I got some newborn sleepers, 0 to 3 month sleepers, 0 to 3 month sizes, some blankets, and a towel. This is like all like socks and gloves and all of that. But yeah, so, and there's still so much clothes to go through, so. Alright, good morning guys. It is the next day. So I didn't really do much yesterday besides just do laundry, and that was pretty much it. But basically I have this whole laundry basket of clothes that I need to do, and then I have all of these clothes in here, and then all of those towels and blankets and things. So my goal today is to put away all of those clothes into the drawers, and I have little organizer bins. And so, like I mentioned earlier, from yesterday, I am only putting away newborn 0 to 3, and then 3 to 6 is washed but is going to be put away. All the other sizes are going to be put into bins and labeled and stored away, because there's no sense in having like 9 and 12 month clothes when he's not going to be in them for a while. So that's my goal for today. So let's see how that goes. So that is all 0 to 3 against the back. Then there is newborn. Then I got 3 to 6 pants, 0 to 3 pants, and then newborn pants, and then 3 to 6 jackets. And then these two piles are 3 to 6. In the laundry basket is just all socks and mittens, some hats, and some towels. These are my little organization bins. So this is what we're working with. I need to go to the chiropractor, so I will finish this when I get back. Alright, so I'm going to put in all of these drawer organizers. I'm going to work one drawer at a time. So I actually have little like pictures on my phone of how I want to organize it. So I'm just going to use those for reference, but we're going to work on this second drawer. I got these drawer organizers off of Amazon, and I can actually have them linked in the description below if you're interested. It comes in a 6-pack, I believe. And so they're really nice, and they come in different colors as well. So they fold up and you just pop them open and then put in the little base that keeps them open and sturdy, and then pop them in the drawer. Alright, time to set up this top drawer. Alright, so now that all of the organizers are in my drawers, I have to go through the clothes again, only the newborn and 0 to 3, and I need to separate them based on onesies, sleepers, and then like outfits slash like pants and jackets and things like that. I'm going to do that now, and then I will pick up when I'm putting them away in the drawers. Alright, so I just finished the drawers. So in the top drawer, this is what it is looking like. And the second drawer, this is what we are working with. If you want an in-depth, more detail, then you gotta wait for my room tour. Alright guys, so I know I look rough. I have had a long day, and for some reason I am not feeling too well. I feel kind of sick. But yeah, so this is going to end this vlog. This is nesting vlog number 2. So we still have a lot of things to do before baby Kaden gets here. So with that said, I will see you guys next time in my next video. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.